From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Hello and happy Monday. My name is student meteorologist Brendan Schmalenberger here with your CNET report. Taking a look behind me right now at the Arboretum. Got a lot of that cloud coverage. That's really been what we've been seeing throughout much of the day after a few snow showers this morning. 39 degrees, although it feels like 29 because of these wind conditions right down there. West-northwest, 21 miles per hour. Make sure you got a jacket out because yes, these are saying 39, 43 out in Pittsburgh, 39 up in Erie, 48 down in Philadelphia. But again, those wind speeds are going to be a factor. It's going to really bring in a lot of wind chill. However, looking across the rest of the Northeast, though, really not too much difference in terms of temperature. We're seeing around 36 in Syracuse, 34 up in Burlington, really hovering around those 40s and 30s range that we're really starting to see. However, what I really do want to point out is this nice definitive line that goes across the rest of the United States right now. This is going to become very commonplace as we get later on into November, December months as we start to see that real temperature divide. Looking back on the Commonwealth, though, those winds I did want to mention again, 21 in Center County alone, pretty windy day, especially with those gusts getting upwards of 30 miles per hour. 16 out in Pittsburgh, 15 up in Erie, also 15 in Philadelphia, 17 in Allentown and Harrisburg, looking at around 18 miles per hour. Definitely a little bit of a windier day. Again, make sure you have a jacket if you didn't have one from earlier from some of these snow showers that have been coming off of Lake Erie as lake affects snow. We're going to see a little bit more of scattered snow showers. They've started to eventually, as I mentioned, taper off as we get later on into the day. Really, the entire Northeast just has a lot of these snow showers popping up here and there throughout the last few days, really. But as we get later on into tonight and eventually tomorrow, we're finally going to start to see these dissipate a bit, just leaving a little bit of clouds and whatnot coming on through. It won't be until Tuesday afternoon, guess around 4 or 5 o'clock, really, right around rush hour time. So if you're traveling, make sure you be aware there could be some possible snow showers and some thunderstorms, especially in south of the Commonwealth in itself. These will eventually start to move out, though, going early into Wednesday morning. And by 6 a.m., we're looking at some pretty just cloudy conditions overall. All that rain will start to move on out. This will stay the same way all the way throughout Wednesday and Thursday. Just mostly cloudy skies, really nothing too grand or whatnot. It won't be until Friday late at night that we start to see some of these showers pop back up and yet another rain band that'll hover around until Saturday afternoon, where we'll finally start seeing some of those clearer conditions, a break from the clouds to say the least. Tonight, though, looking around 29 degrees, again partly cloudy as we saw from the radar. Winds west, they start to die down a bit, 11 miles per hour. As we get later on to tomorrow and the rest of the week, it will be a lot less windy, so we won't have to worry about that too much to say the least. 42 degrees tomorrow, though, with some afternoon showers as we saw per the radar. Winds are from the west, 7 miles per hour, definitely a little bit lower. Nothing too terrible or windy, definitely affecting those temperatures. These are all pretty real feel throughout the rest of the week. Thursday, 44. Friday, again, we may see those return. The showers around 52, 35 degrees, and 29 degrees as we get later on to Saturday night. Friday in itself might be something to keep an eye on for, especially for chances of those snow showers to pop on through again. But as we get into Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, we will be seeing partly cloudy skies, if not clear skies and nice conditions. That's all I got for you today. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.